Jupiter is going to transit through the sign of Cancer on 2nd of June 2026, where Jupiter will be in its exaltation position. So it is going to bring a lot of abundance, goodness, blessings, optimism for all the people in the world. And I have started with the Jupiter transit series and already done Aries and Taurus. You can find it in my playlist. And just one thing that I want to talk about is that even when the Jupiter transit starts, it will still be transiting through the nakshatra Punarvasu that Jupiter is currently transiting in as well, but in the Gemini side of Punarvasu, because Punarvasu is both in Gemini and in Cancer, and currently Jupiter is transiting through the Gemini part of Punarvasu, and then it is going to start transiting on 2nd of June 2026 in the Cancer part of Punarvasu. But even in that, from 2nd June to 18th of June, in that 16 days of time period, it is going to be very eventful for you. So be extremely, I would say, mindful, not fearful and not very excited, but try to be very grounded and mindful in this time period and be more observant. Do not take any actions impulsively. Why? Because Punarvasu is the nakshatra of repetitions in life. So, sometimes what happens is people from the past come back into our life to make or break, either to test you, to break you again, and push you into a cycle of lessons that you have already gone through in the past, or to actually bring a project to fruition or prosperity. So be very discern as in be very observant and try to meditate upon any situation or person. Is this person here to test me again? Am I going to learn the same lesson over and over again? Or is this person come here again and this something meaningful now can be done through this meeting again? So be very observant. Try to do a lot of meditation and grounding exercises to understand the motive and intention of any situation coming back into your life. It can be for good, but there is a lot of chances it can also be a lesson. Yes, if you do have a Punarvasu placement in your native chart, then there can be very positive results from it, but it can also be negative. So please look at your own chart, meditate upon the situation, and then move forward.